Hello, my name is Greg Harris. I'm with Knapheide, and today we're going to talk about the KLT. This product is fully customizable from everything like we'll see today, the Class 5, all the way up to its bigger brothers, the Class 6, 7, and 8. We'll start here with this one today. Again, the Class 5, it's shown with this optional side paneling, which is kind of a dual purpose. It hides what's going on the inside. It doesn't advertise to the public, as well as providing a flat, beautiful advertising panel all the way around. This particular unit, the KLT 5084, has 4 fresh product tanks, 50 gallons each. It has one 100-gallon waste oil. It's powered by a VMAC G30 stack air compressor. And around back here, you'll see the aluminum shutter roll up, fully enclosed real cabinet. Nicely labeled, used oil, product A, product B, product C, product D, very easy to operate. Come around over here. Tons of storage options on this particular model. We have underbody, above body. You can put C-Techs. These units are fully customizable. You can do just about anything you'd like with it, depending on the GVWR of the truck. That's the only limitation. Up front, we have a used oil filter, storage, as well as underbody compartments. If you'd like to learn more about our KLT, please go to knapheide.com or give us a call and we'll be happy to tell you about it.